66 of our NCERT book, and today we are going to discuss the NCERT questions of chapter. Okay, beta. So here I have discussed first question with you on that day. So that is, again I am repeating, what do you think is the significance of reproductive health in a society? तो उस दिन मैंने काफी सारा डिस्कस कर लिया था. I have discussed the question and Harjot has also given me the answer on that day. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन का मतलब है कि why there is a need of maintaining reproductive health in a society. So we have to write here all the points that are related with this. First of all, you have to define that what do you mean by the term reproductive health. So here you can write that reproductive health, it generally refers to in a broader aspect to the physical, mental, social as well as behavioral well-being of an organism. ठीक है, तो it is not only concerned with the functioning of reproductive organs in a healthy way, but it also includes the physical, mental, social and behavioral well-being. So I have already explained you that what do you mean by the terms. ठीक है, सोशल वेलबींग ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल, फिजिकल वेलबींग से क्या मतलब है कि द इंडिविजुअल शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम एनी काइंड ऑफ डिजीज, एलिमेंट्स, डिसऑर्डर्स. मेंटल वेलबींग मींस दैट द पर्सन शुड बी फ्री from any kind of stress, any kind of tensions. So these stresses or tensions may be because of some of job insecurity for that individual, or may the individual is not financially sound, or it may be some kind of stresses that are created because of some family problems. ठीक है बेटे, certain social issues are also there. So because of this, certain stress that comes in the mind of an individual. So if the individual is not free from such kind of tensions or stresses, then you cannot say that the person is mentally healthy. Okay, another very important thing is behavioral aspects should also be considered. So here behavioral aspect means that the person should have a loving and affectionate behavior, a behavior of mercy towards other members of the society. Okay, he is very much helpful to others. ठीक है, जहां पे भी उसकी जरूरत पड़ती है वो दूसरों के लिए सामने आता है, उनकी हेल्प करता है. तो इस तरह का पर्सन है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हैज अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन शोइंग अ प्रॉपर काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर्स towards the other active members of the society, then you can say he is behaviorally healthy. Okay, social well-being का मतलब मैंने आपको बताया था कि social rapport with other members, maybe the neighbors, friends, relatives. ठीक है, वॉट एवर पर्सन, उनके साथ जो भी उसका रैपर्ड है ना, उसका जो भी बॉन्ड है वो कैसा होना चाहिए, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड होना चाहिए. तो हम कह सकते हैं दैट पर्सन इज अ सोशली हेल्दी पर्सन. सो हियर फॉर द सेक ऑफ मेंटेनिंग दिस रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्दी सोसाइटी वी हैव टू डू सर्टेन टास्क. सो हियर आपको बताया था कि वी कैन मेक यूज ऑफ ऑडियो विजुअल्स. हियर प्रिंट मीडिया कैन आल्सो हेल्प अस. So many other important people who are the active member of the society, such as teachers हैं, elders हैं, parents हैं, friends हैं, they can easily contribute in maintaining this reproductive health. Okay बेटे, so how they help us? तो उसमें उसने बताया था कि we can make counseling with the adolescents and we have to teach them about the various aspects of reproduction. ठीक है, हमने उनको टाइम टू टाइम गाइड करने हैं रिप्रोडक्शन रिलेटेड एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में, सो दैट अ प्रॉपर नॉलेज about the reproductive organs, about the stages of adolescent, what kind of hormonal changes it actually happens during that phase, what kind of sexual abuses, sexual crimes they might be met in future if they are not adopting the careful behavior that they should know. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देगा मतलब मेरा किससे है, adolescent people से है. We should guide our children, we should guide the adolescents about all of these things. And here the schools, they are also playing an important role. तो उसमें हमने लिखना है कि in the curriculum of the school, in classes 8th to 12th, we have to introduce the topics related with sex education. The purpose behind this is only that the children who are of such a age group, they must be familiar that what are the functions of these sexual organs in their body, what kind of you can say things that are generally happening during their adolescent age, ठीक है, how their behavior it rapidly changes and how they have to satisfy their curiosity level, ये सारी चीजें हम यहाँ पे हमने लिखनी है। इसके अलावा वो कहते हैं कि so many other things which must have to be given attention because, ठीक है, what are these things? We should guide the people that how they can take care of the pregnant mother as well as the newly born infant, ठीक है। We have to encourage our health workers such as आपको तय था आशा दीदी के बारे में, ठीक है। These are some of the health workers which generally visit the villages and here they create awareness among the peoples about the various type of vaccination or immunization programs that are generally available in the village health centers. Okay, students, we should also create awareness about the amino-synthesis technique that we should discourage sex determination tests if we want to maintain a proper sex ratio between the society, ठीक है। तो इस तरह के सारे पॉइंट्स जो है यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस आंसर। So whenever you have to write the answer of this question, then write it in proper point wise way, ठीक है। 5 से 7 पॉइंट आपके लिए इनफ होंगे, तो आपने इस तरीके से आंसर लिखना है कि सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स उसके अंदर आ जाएं। Everything is written in the book. Select 4 or 5 points that are the more relevant one and then give the answer of this question. Okay, but the next one is suggest the aspect of reproductive health which need to be given special attention in the present scenario. Hanji, who is ready to give the answer of this question? Yes, beta. Anyone who want to give the answer? Yes, students, try to give the answer. Yes, Diksha, please speak. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, creating awareness among people about various reproductive related aspects such as STDs, available birth control methods, care of pregnant mothers, postnatal care of mother and child, importance of breastfeeding, adolescence and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, etc., and providing facilities and support for building a reproductively healthy society. These include medical assistance and care to people, especially during pregnancy, delivery, STDs, abortion, contraception, menstrual problems, infertility, etc.
Yes, but absolutely correct. Okay, all the points which we have discussed earlier, that can also be the part of this question also. Anyone else who want to add more points to this answer? कोई भी और स्टूडेंट जो दीक्षा पॉइंट बताना रह गया उसका कोई और ऐड करना चाहता है बेटे? हाँ जी, nobody? Okay, students, I am going to elaborate the answer now. So the question is, suggest the aspects of reproductive health which need to be given special attention in the present scenario. So here, first of all, we have to write, there are so many aspects that are related with reproductive health that we people should focus. The first point, according to me, is that we should create awareness among the educated married couples about the various type of birth control options, or you can say contraceptive methods that are generally available for them. We should guide them that how they can take care of the pregnant mothers, okay, how they can take care of mother and child after you can say post delivery, and we should also guide the mothers who have recently gave birth to the child about the importance of the breastfeeding. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था कि so many mothers, they are working mothers, so they do not care about these breastfeeding, ठीक है। तो they should be know that what is the importance of breastfeeding. मतलब उनको ये बताना है कि that the milk that is actually secreted by the mammary gland of the mother, ठीक है, of a newly born infant, it is actually rich in antibodies, and through that milk, when they give feed to her child, these antibodies they enters into the body of the child, and they makes the child immunity strong. ठीक है, इसके बारे में हमें उन्हें नॉलेज देनी है. सेकेंड पॉइंट हम लिख सकते हैं कि वी शुड गाइड पीपल about the equal opportunities that we should have to be given to the male and the female child. ठीक है, we should discourage the technique of amniosynthesis और sex determination, और लोगों को ये बताना है कि why there is a need of equal opportunities, providing equal opportunities to the male and the female child, because both of them are important for successful functioning of the society. Okay student, third thing में हम लिखेंगे control of human population. We should tell each and every person of the society that why there is a need to control the human population, what are the problems that are created due to population explosion, and we should also tell the fertile couples about the family planning program. ठीक है, उनको क्यों बताना है, ये बताना है उनको कि फैमिली प्लानिंग प्रोग्राम जो है उसमें क्या गाइडलाइंस दी गई है, और जो डिजायर्ड फैमिली साइज है, स्मॉल फैमिली साइज जो है उसको मेंटेन करना क्यों जरूरी है, उसके एडवांटेजेस के बारे में वी हैव टू टीच देम. Another thing is we should make sex education as a compulsory part of the school curriculum. ठीक है, why there is a need to make sex education as a compulsory part of school education? Because if we guide our adolescent in a proper way, if the adolescents they are familiar with the functioning of their sexual organs, okay, they are fully aware of the sexual crimes that they generally bet in the society or with some other peoples, okay, who generally take advantage of them. If they know what kind of changes that happens during the adolescent phase, they can protect themselves from such kind of sexual abuses, sexual crimes. Okay student, next आप लिख सकते हो proper information about safe sex. ठीक है, those peoples who are under the age of 18 to 21 years, they should be guided, or a proper information is provided to them about the safe sexual activities. ठीक है, how they can make them how can they you can say how they can do safe sexual relationships with others. ठीक है, what kind of problems they have to face during the adolescent phase, उनको ये पता होना चाहिए. They should have a proper knowledge about the sexually transmitted diseases. ठीक है, they should know the symptoms as well as prevention of about the fatal sexually transmitted diseases like AIDS. They should have a proper awareness, ठीक है, with other members of the adolescent age also about the drug addiction. ठीक है, why we have to discourage the drug addiction, उसके बारे में उन्हें नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि कैसे ड्रग एडिक्शन से वो सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीजेस में ट्रैप हो सकते हैं. ठीक है बेटे, इसके अलावा वो कहते हैं कि वी शुड आल्सो हैव टू encourage the research that is generally done by the scientists or wise doctors of our country on the reproduction related areas. ठीक है, जैसे आपको बताया था कि टाइम टू टाइम जो कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स होते हैं ना उनको रिवाइज करना पड़ता है, सो दैट वी हैव टू डिस्कवर्ड सच कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स जिनकी की एफिशिएंसी ज्यादा हो और जिसके लीस्ट साइड इफेक्ट हो. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार कुछ ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिए हैं और वो आगे हमेशा ही चलते जा रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. तो कहते हैं कि रिसर्च जो है कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स पे, बर्थ कंट्रोल ऑप्शंस पे, वो हमने क्या करनी है, इनकरेज करना है इन पीपल्स को, सो दैट दे कैन डिस्कवर मोर एंड मोर ड्रग्स दैट कैन बी यूज्ड एज कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स, or they have to be revised the contraceptive methods, or such methods are introduced which have least effects on the patient. Okay, so such points you can be right under this question. And now my third question in my NCERT book is question number 3 is sex education necessary in schools, why? Anybody who want to give the answer? Is sex education necessary in schools, why? Yes, better Jasmine, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. Sex education is necessary in schools because it will provide correct information to the adolescents about sex-related matters and reproductive organs. And if our adolescents are familiar with these things, they can prevent themselves from the reproductive crimes or sex crimes. And methods of family planning and hygiene can be explained to them, and changes in their behavior can be predicted. Methods of sexually transmitted disease can be prevented so that they are able to and they are able to maintain the cleanliness of their reproductive organs.
Yes, during the reproductive cycles, है ना? Okay, बेटे. Most of the points are correct. Now I have to elaborate the answer. ठीक है बेटे. तो कहते हैं कि why there is a need of introducing sex education in schools. So the introduction, or you can say the sex education, must be introduced in the schools so that with the help of this we are able to discourage the myths and misconceptions that are generally prevalent in the students about the sex related aspects. Okay, if we do not guide our children who are of the adolescent age properly about these sex related aspects, then our children might trap themselves in the different kind of sexual crimes or sexual abuses. Okay, all of you know that both the children, boys and girls, they are studying in the school within the same classes, and whenever a child has to be enter into the adolescent age, so many behavioral and hormonal changes that generally occur in the body of the child. Okay, in that situations, the curiosity level of the child is also very high, and because of this, in order to satisfy his or her curiosity, sometimes the children, they engage themselves in some of the unfair activities that they are not supposed to do that. Okay, for example, if some of the boy, or you can say adolescent, has seen one ad in the TV जिसमें कि एक फेमस एक्टर जो है वो ड्रिंक कर रहा है, ठीक है, तो चाइल्ड इज वेरी मच इम्प्रेस्ड, बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रेस हो जाएगा चाइल्ड, एंड उसको ऐसा लगेगा कि this drink or alcohol is something that is related with the grown up people, and I am also a grown up kind of person, so I should also take these kind of things. Okay, so in this way that a particular boy engage himself in such kind of things, अल्कोहल लेने लग जाएगा या ड्रग लेने लग जाता है, ठीक है, उसी तरह से वो कहते हैं कि मिसकंसेप्शंस या मिथ्स जो हैं जो चिल्ड्रंस के बीच में रहती हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो सेक्सुअल क्राइम्स का पार्ट बन जाते हैं. कई बार आपने देखा है कि सम ऑफ द चिल्ड्रंस ऑफ द जुवेनाइल एज, दे आर कमिटिंग so many dangerous kind of, you can say, crimes in the society. Okay, they, some of the children, because of lack of proper guidance, they are sometimes involved in rape cases. Okay, you have also heard about the rape case of that Delhi incidents, and here one the prime accused in that rape case is a child whose age is very less, and he is a juvenile, you can say, person. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद वो कहते हैं कि इस तरह के जुवेनाइल क्राइम्स जो है वो ना हो, इसलिए प्रॉपर गाइडेंस देना जरूरी है. अगर सेक्स एजुकेशन जो है इट इज प्रॉपर्ली इंट्रोड्यूस इन द स्कूल, देन द in proper time the students they have awareness about the sexual organs. ठीक है, they are working, ठीक है, what kind of sexually transmitted diseases are there, and if they are not taking the safe sexual practices, ठीक है, how they violate their life, ठीक है, किस तरह से सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीजेस जो हैं उसमें वो फंस सकते हैं, अपनी लाइफ खराब कर सकते हैं. तो इसके लिए वो कहते हैं कि उनको प्रॉपर अवेयरनेस जो है वो अगर करिकुलम का पार्ट हम बना देते हैं सेक्स एजुकेशन को, तो ये नॉलेज जो है वो साइड बाय साइड उनके पास पहुंच जाएगी, और हमारी जो चिल्ड्रंस हैं, एडोलेसेंट्स जो हैं, वो प्रोटेक्टेड रहेंगे, और वो एक प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन में जो है डेवलपमेंट कर सकते. ओके बेटे, तो जितना मर्जी पढ़ा कर लो आंसर को, वॉट एवर पॉइंट्स दैट आर कमिंग इन योर माइंड, यू कैन राइट दोस पॉइंट्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन. अब देखो एक बहुत ही जनरल सा क्वेश्चन पूछा है, डू यू थिंक दैट रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ इन अवर कंट्री हैज इम्प्रूव्ड इन द पास्ट 50 years, and if yes, mention some such areas of improvement. कहते हैं कि क्या आप ऐसा मानते हैं कि पिछले 50 इयर्स के अंदर आपके कंट्री में बहुत ज्यादा इंप्रूवमेंट हुई है? तो बताइए कि कौन से ऐसे एरियाज हैं जिसके अंदर मैक्सिमम इंप्रूवमेंट हुई है बेटे? हाँ जी, हु इज गोइंग टू गिव द आंसर? Who is going to give the answer बेटे? Nobody? Okay, see, I am on page number 59. ठीक है, all of you come on this page, page number 59, under the heading population stabilization and birth control. So here these paragraphs, from these paragraphs we get the answer of this question. So you can write here that after 50 years, ठीक है, 50 years जो है हमारे past 50 years जो है उसमें बहुत सारे इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है, एंड स्पेशली द इम्प्रूवमेंट, ठीक है, यू कैन से द ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट इन वेरियस फील्ड इट टेक्स प्लेस इन आवर कंट्री. द क्वालिटी ऑफ द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल इज ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव्ड, बट द मेजर area where we see this improvement, it is actually the health related areas. ठीक है, earlier before independence, when our country achieve his independence, at that time the medical facilities are very less. ठीक है, हॉस्पिटल्स का जो नंबर था वो भी बहुत कम था उस टाइम पर, और वो कहते हैं कि बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, एज द प्रॉपर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज दे आर नॉट अवेलेबल टू द पीपल्स. ठीक है, दोज पीपल्स हु आर लिविंग in you can say village areas, or you can say rural areas, they cannot afford such kind of medical facilities because they are not present much in number. So as a result of this, the infant and the mortality rate is very high before independence. But after independence, there is a enormous increase, enormous improvement in the medical field, and as a result, what happened? Okay, more and more hospital chains they are created in the country now, not only in the urban areas, whereas in the rural areas the health centers, ठीक है, और big hospitals are there in some of the villages. और ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ जो है हेल्थ सेंटर्स जो है वही प्रेजेंट है, हॉस्पिटल है, और ऐसा नहीं है कि हॉस्पिटल जो है उसके अंदर स्टाफ नहीं है. तो इनिशियली इन द इनिशियल डेज ऑफ द इंडिपेंडेंस, ठीक है, sometimes when you visit the hospitals of the villages, you find that the doctor is not there. But nowadays, because of such a great improvement in the medical field, ठीक है, the doctors are also available in the rural areas with abundance staff members of the, you can say, medical के जो staff members हैं उनके साथ proper nurses वहाँ पे रहती हैं, doctors रहते हैं. ठीक है, और इसके अलावा कहते हैं कि some of the health workers they have assigned the proper duties, ठीक है, who are named under as Asha Didis, and they usually visit each and every home at house at the villages, and they tell people about the various type of vaccination or immunization programs that are available in the village health centers. ठीक है, तो because of this the infant as well as the maternal mortality rate, it generally declines. But one very important thing that is associated with this is कि as it improve, you can say the infant and the maternal, ठीक है, maternal mortality rate जो है उसको इसने क्या किया है, डिक्लाइन किया है, but side by side so many problems related with population explosion, it keeps on increasing because earlier lack of facilities, some of our younger peoples and older peoples they dies. ठीक है, when we do not help them to reach these peoples to hospitals. But nowadays the lifespan of our you can say grandparents or our elder peoples they also increases, and that is a you can say a happy news for us. But because of improvement, the population of the country it also increases. So what is the alternative by which we can make a reproductive healthy society? So here you can say that the answer is that each and every citizen of India must have to be know about the various contraceptive options or contraceptive methods or birth control options that are available in the country. ठीक है, as you know that earlier the literacy rate is very less in our country, but nowadays most of the people they are educated in the villages too, along with the urban population. So if we guide these people properly about the suitable birth control options, then these peoples they adopt them, and in this way we can control our population. ठीक है बेटे, तो हमें जो है उसको देखो, अब पुराने टाइम में मीडिया जो था वो भी इतना एडवांस नहीं था, बट यू नो दैट टुडे इज द एज ऑफ इंटरनेट. So earlier the people they generally see the slogans such as हम दो हमारे दो, ठीक है, छोटा परिवार सुखी परिवार, इस तरह के स्लोगन उनको जो है वो कहीं कहीं पे नजर आते थे जब वो हेल्थ सेंटर पे जाते थे, हॉस्पिटल्स को विजिट करते थे या किसी पब्लिक बस में ट्रेवल कर रहे होते थे. बट nowadays such kind of awareness can be spread very easily because today is the age of internet. So इस तरह की जो awareness है उसको हम जो है इंटरनेट की हेल्प से, अलग अलग जो है साइट्स की हेल्प से बड़ी इजीली लोगों को गाइड कर सकती हैं, और इस तरह से लोगों में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की जा सकती है अबाउट द वैक्सीनेशन इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम्स. ठीक है, जैसे आज के टाइम में आपको पता है कि जब भी हम किसी को फोन करते हैं तो हमें सबसे पहले कोविड वैक्सीन के बारे में जो है गवर्नमेंट जो है वो बताती है. तो इससे क्या हुआ है कि एक टाइम में द पीपल दे आर नॉट जनरली बिलीविंग इन सच काइंड ऑफ वैक्सीन, बट नाउअडेज because of the critical condition that is created in our country, more and more people now visited hospitals to get this COVID vaccine. So what it is actually a kind of awareness that is generally happen because of these internet sources. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें आपने इसके अंदर लिखनी है. तो उसके बाद देखिए अगला क्वेश्चन है हमारा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द सजेस्टेड रीजंस फॉर पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन. ठीक है, वेरी मच सिमिलर टू द प्रीवियस वन. तो उसमें उसने आपको ये पूछा हुआ है कि व्हाट आर द सजेस्टेड रीजंस फॉर पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन. हमारे कंट्री की जो पॉपुलेशन है वो अगर इतनी तेजी से बढ़ रही है तो उसके बढ़ने के क्या इंपॉर्टेंट रीजंस हो सकते हैं. हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, एनी आइडिया? यस बेटे हरजोत, स्पीक अप.
Population explosion can be used to refer to the sudden large increase in the size of a population. There is an
Yes.
increase in population every day leading to population explosion. Two of the major reasons are as follow: increase in the birth rate and longevity, decrease in the death rate. In the last 50 years, the death rate has decreased evidently. Decrease in the death rate and increase in the birth rate can be attributed to the various measures that have been adapted, such as disease control, measures taken to create awareness and spreading knowledge of importance of reproductive health, measures taken to introduce sex education topics at school level, better medical facilities, ensuring food supply, medical assistance during emergency times, and so on. These reasons have also led to an increase in the longevity of people.
Yes bete, most of the points are correct Harjot. Okay bete, now I have to elaborate. So first point that you have to write here is that the major reason behind the population explosion is, point number 1, there is a decline in the death rate. Okay, all of you know very well that before independence the medical facilities they are not very much improved in our country. So due to lack of medical facilities, more and more people dies every day. Okay, some of the pregnant women they dies. Infant mortality rate is also high. But nowadays our medical world they have done you can say a revolutionary improvement, and because of this, okay, there is a decline in the death rate. Okay, maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate it also declines. So this is one of the reason. Another very important thing is that there is an increase in the number of those people who are of the reproductive age. Okay, earlier sometimes so many pandemics they generally happens in the country, and our medical you can say facilities they are not available to the people. तो अगर कोई पैंडेमिक जो है वो कंट्री में स्प्रेड हो गई है, ठीक है, एक टाइम में तो मलेरिया भी एक पैंडेमिक की तरह होता था, और बहुत सारी ऐसे छोटे छोटे डिजीजेस जो है वो पैंडेमिक का रूप ले लेती थी, और उससे नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स जो हैं कंट्री के अंदर वो मारे जाते थे. बट नाउ यू नो दैट अवर मेडिकल यू कैन से हॉस्पिटल्स जो हमारे कंट्री में है और जो भी हमारे मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स हैं, ठीक है, हाईली क्वालिफाइड है and they can easily face such kind of challenges. Another very important thing is so many people in the earlier days die because of these different kind of diseases. ठीक है, it may be some of the bacterial diseases, viral diseases, or general small diseases that the people generally face. But nowadays the diagnostic methods, ठीक है, they are available for each and every disease. If people they generally visit the hospital in time, then doctors and nurses they can easily help those people to get rid from such kind of diseases, may it even they are the fatal one. ठीक है, तो अब भी ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर एड्स जो है उसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि उसके 10 इयर्स इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड है वायरस का, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उस पर्सन को मरने के लिए छोड़ दिया जाता है। ठीक है, जहां तक डॉक्टर्स जो है वो कोशिश कर सकते हैं वो करते हैं, तो ड्रग्स दिए जाते हैं उस केस में भी, जब हम उस पर्सन को नहीं भी बचा सकते तब भी ड्रग्स दिए जाते हैं ताकि उसका लाइफ स्पैन जो है उसको जितना इंक्रीज किया जा सके वो कर सके। ठीक है, सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल्स आर देयर इन द कंट्री, तो समटाइम्स व्हेन यू विजिट द सिटी ऑफ जालंधर यू सी सो मेनी सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल्स आर देयर। ठीक है, किडनी हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, कैंसर के अलग से हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, हार्ट के अलग से हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, तो ये सारी चीजें जो है बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं थी, तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि कितना बड़ा इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है। ठीक है, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज के फील्ड में another very important thing is that better healthcare facilities now the people can easily afford and greater medical attentions are given to the every citizen of our country. ठीक है, बेशक आप जानते हैं कि पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया जो है वो मिलियंस में है, पर ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों को इग्नोर कर दिया जाता है, जहां तक हो सकता है उनको प्रॉपर मेडिकल अटेंशन जो है वो दी जाती है। ठीक है बेटे, तो इस तरह से वो कहते हैं कि ये सारे रीजंस हैं जिसकी वजह से पॉपुलेशन जो है कंट्री की वो बढ़ रही है। वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन इज स्टिल सम ऑफ द पीपल, ठीक है, who are the poor one, and the literacy rate is very less in such kind of people, so generally living in the slum areas, and because of lack of awareness among these people they are not making use of the contraceptive options that are available to them. So if there is a proper you can say scheme is framed for such type of people, if the health workers they can create awareness among these peoples, तो पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन जो इसको कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है। ठीक है, तो वी शुड गाइड अबाउट द कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स टू दीस पर्संस आल्सो। ठीक है बेटे, तो ये सारे पॉइंट हमने यहाँ पे लिख लेने हैं। उसके बाद वो कहते हैं कि इज द यूज ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव जस्टिफाइड, तो आंसर में आप लिखेंगे यस इट इज जस्टिफाइड बिकॉज दीज कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स, बाय दीज कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स you can say we can overcome the problem of population explosion. You can control the population of your country if we create awareness in people about small family size.